Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to delete alarm clock in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is click the analog clock widget or digital clock widget to proceed in alarm clock. And okay guys, here you can see the alarm below, the word clock, the stopwatch, and the timer. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete alarm clock. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the alarm. And okay guys, here you can see the alarm time. And okay guys, to delete this, okay, you'll have to do is click the three dot on the right side of your mobile phone. And okay guys, select delete. And now here you can see the alarm time, and on the left side you can see the circle button. And okay guys, you can select the alarm time you want to delete or remove on your Samsung phone. And okay guys, so for my example, I choose this alarm time. And okay guys, you can also select all by clicking the all button on the left side of this mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. So I decide to delete or remove the two only. And okay guys, after that, okay, click the delete button or delete icon below, okay, to delete or remove the alarm of your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully delete or removed the alarm in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, thank you for watching.